Okay guys, I just want to give you a little update, show you where we are on my build. Of course, past couple of weeks we got the new convertible rams and installed those. They're both new. Then I had a problem with my pump. Started seeping fluid, got a seal cut coming for it. Of course the dash, I got it covered up now, but it's all painted and done. Everything's installed. Working on the headers now. If you see my last video, you know we just wrapped these headers, getting ready for installation. Got my copper gasket to get them sealed up as much as I can. This is a thick gasket that came with the kit, the header kit. We're just going to use grade 8 bolts, lock washers. That's what other guys have done. I think they're going to be fine. Okay. Now, the major build work I've been doing, of course, has been something you can't see right off. It's underneath. So all this has been seam sealed and coated out here on these. Painted with some chassis black out here. Of course, underneath. I don't know how much you can see, but all painted with chassis black. Ran my brake lines and my new fuel line, and those had to be run. Got the emergency brake assembly in place right there, and everything's underneath there is painted chassis black. Show you just to let you know what's going on. There's that. Things in place back there. Just the pan. Everything in here. All done, installed. The fuel line, brake lines installed. Even got the vent hose going up from the rear end. So anyway, just wanted to give you an update on that.